Joe Brantley.
All the racers as well.
Yeah.
Only minutes ago. Joe do.
What's that?
What Joe do.
Yeah, it's right over here. It broke. Just before.
I got broken leg, man. Need to call somebody. You got cell service?
Yeah.
You got?
Yeah.
So can you call cell clinic? I got a broken leg, man.
Right.
Sam, try go look at it. Please.
Good. Just get going.
I can't even start my rig, bro, because you started. Fuck, my leg is broken. Lawrence Wells, I'll be going slow. I never crashed, man. I fly down that fucking thing in it. Ooh. I don't know if my knee's out of place. My leg is broken, though.
I'm calling clinic right now.
Can you tell them to start coming?
I just, John Moon, I'm right by the kind of tree line. What's your name?
Lawrence Wells.
Lawrence Wells got a broken leg.
Tell them I'll be going slow.
We'll be going slow. You say, go meet him.
Tell them to go meet me.
Right by the tree line by Kiana. He'll be going slow. He's got a broken leg. Yeah, he's going slow. Oh, well. What the fuck?